Did you know a shepherd stumbling through the Iraqi desert discovered the birthplace of civilization itself? In 1922, a Bedouin herder noticed strange mounds rising from the sand near the Euphrates River. What he found would rewrite human history. Buried beneath were the ruins of Ur, the world's first true city from 4000 BCE. For thousands of years, humans lived in tiny tribes of maybe 50 people. Then suddenly, they built this massive urban center housing 65,000 residents. Here, they invented writing to track grain and gold, created the first laws to govern their people, built towering ziggurats reaching toward the heavens. But the most shocking discovery lay in the royal cemetery. Elaborate tombs filled with gold, silver, and something far more disturbing. Dozens of servants buried alive alongside their rulers, still wearing their finest jewelry. This single city created the blueprint for everything that followed. Government and armies, trade routes, social classes. Ur didn't just build the first civilization, it defined what it meant to be human.